What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We had a nice green weekend for Bitcoin. Will it continue? Has this breakout just begun? That's what we're going to talk about today. Don't forget, there's a link to a free Discord group in the description below the video. It's an awesome community, guys. Check it out. It's totally free. There's also some affiliate links down there that really help the channel out and help keep this content free. There's some exchange links if you guys are trading. There's Prime XBT. If you sign up, make a deposit, you get a 35% bonus. There's also a Bybit one down there. You get a $60 up to $210 bonus for signing up and making a deposit. Check it out. Really helps the channel out. Let's get into the video, see what's going on. All right, guys, as always, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and my view of the market only. Anybody that's doing any trading or investing in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research, as this market is extremely volatile and risky. Also, keep in mind, it's still a speculative market. Do not put in more than you're willing to lose. And with that being said, if you're new here and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand side of the screen. That'll get you subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. I do daily updates every single day, so we keep up with what's going on in the market. All right, yeah, let's see what's going on. This is Bitcoin on the weekly. Another thing, guys, make sure to stop the video for a second, hit the like button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. It really helps the YouTube algorithm when you guys leave comments. It helps support the channel. I really appreciate it. And share the video. Also, I want to remind you guys, we are doing, as soon as we hit 11,000 subscribers, we will be adding Ethereum to the mix and doing random coins one day a week. So definitely share the video, help get it out there. Let's get this going. All right. So looking at the 55 EMA that we've been watching, and I've been saying as long as that holds, I believe we can see new all-time highs this year. I still believe that. We will take a look at the bearish case scenario too. But I want to show you guys also that I believe this is the cycle that we're in. And I believe we're on part 2 of it, just like 2012 back here. And I believe the rest of this year is going to be awesome. As long as we can stay above the 55 EMA, I believe we can see new all-time highs this year. Now, I know a lot of people say that we can't until after the halving. Guys, the market's changing. We've done a lot of stuff we haven't done before. So anyways, let's look at the EMA. So the EMA, I have this support line drawn across here that we got support off of last time we were in what I believe to be the second part of the cycle, which is here. And as you can see, we got support on this line, just like we got support on this line this time. Now let's get into the daily. All right, so again, we'll take a look at the bearish case scenario. Also, guys, we have to be ready for whatever happens. Even though I am bullish and I do believe we are going to continue up, just like I said yesterday, and we'll take a look at the targets. But first, let's take a look at the bearish case. Looking at this whole thing as a descending triangle from where we broke down. Very worst case scenario would be the $4,600 range, guys. I highly doubt it, but it is a possibility. The next measured move would be measuring the smaller part of this as a descending triangle. And this is where I believe we'll go if that 7,700 was to break, and that's 6,300. I know a lot of people are calling for 7,500, 7,200. Guys, but if this 7,700 breaks, it's not going to go down $200 to 7,500 bucks and bounce. It's just not going to happen, in my opinion. Again, guys, my opinion, just a guy on the internet, but I just don't see it. If we break 7,700, Bitcoin's not going to stop 200 bucks below. The next measured move is measuring this whole thing. Well, I guess I will have to do that right here. So measuring this whole thing as a flagpole and looking at this as a bear flag, the measured move off of that would be same thing, getting us right to the 6,300. So like I said, if the 7,700 breaks, that's what I'll be looking for. Let's look at the RSI. And this is where we were calling the breakout yesterday. If you watched my video yesterday, we're looking at this as a falling wedge, which we had broke in and out of a few times. And I had drawn in this channel here and said if we broke above that, that was going to be a nice push up. And that's exactly what we've got. Now let's look at the 4 hour. I want to remind you guys too, my wife's webpage, inkyyourimage.com, is up. You guys leave a comment. I will be giving a free t-shirt away on Sunday. You can leave a comment any video this week and we'll pick a random comment to pick the winner. But also, if you guys want to check out the merchandise, just go to inkyyourimage.com. There's a link below it in the description. There's aluminum signs, a few different sizes, coffee mugs, beer koozies, hats, shirts. Check it out, guys. She can put any crypto you want or anything you want on there if you're looking for Christmas gifts or whatever. Definitely check it out. It's another way to help support the channel. All right, back over to here. So looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hour, we're looking at this falling channel, which we popped out of, and came into another falling channel, popped out of that, and we were watching this rising channel yesterday, and I said if we popped up, extremely bullish, and that's exactly what we got, guys. So let's look at the price action now. It looks like we're having a little pump, and I hope the video gets out and before too much happens. But anyway, as you guys can see, I had these measured moves in here. We were watching these two, the thicker white lines we were looking at as a falling wedge, and where we broke out over here yesterday, we put up the 85.77 target, which also lines up with the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. That's still what I'm looking at. But guys, I think we'll most likely come test the top of this channel again around the $8,900 range. And remember, I do believe we're going to come up and test the bottom of this channel where we broke out, which is around the 9,300. Guys, and if we break that, that's going to break this big bull flag that I've been watching. And I see some new all-time highs this year. Still my opinion. All right, let's look at what's going on a little closer up. So I had this little bull flag drawn in here. Well, let's look at these measured moves too. This one here, you look at this orange line along with the white one here. I had a falling channel drawn in here, and the measured move off that from where we broke out is at 83.46 range. I also have a measured move looking at this as a flagpole. This is a little bull flag, and the measured move of the break of that also gets us up to that 85.50 range. So that's my target for right now. And guys, we'll probably see resistance here and maybe come back down, do a little retracement, and then continue up. But I believe we're headed up most likely to at least the 8,900, if not the 9,300, to test the bottom of that triangle. I really see us coming to test that 9,300 range though. And again, guys, just my opinion. Don't trade off my opinion. Do your own due diligence and your own research. But that's where I'm at with Bitcoin right now, guys. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty bullish, obviously. Now let's look at Litecoin. Looking at Litecoin on the daily, we were looking at this as a falling wedge. We zoom in here, we are breaking out of that. And our measured move, the breakout of that, guys, is the 116 area. And I've been talking about this for quite a while. We finally seem to be breaking out. Let's look at the RSI. RSI here, we've been looking at the rising channel, came out of it in a falling channel, and now seem to be working our way up. We also made a support line down here off these 3 touches. Looks like we're going up to at least test this, guys. And if we break the top of this channel, watch out. It's going to be pretty amazing. Look at the 4 hour RSI. This is what we were watching yesterday. And I had drawn this bull flag in. You guys watched the video yesterday, you'll remember we were in this falling channel, had the bull flag here, and I said if this breaks out, extremely bullish. And that's what happened. And we also came back down to test the channel. So it looks like, guys, we're going to continue up from here, in my opinion. Let's look at the price action in the 4 hour. All right, so like I said, we've broken out of this falling wedge. It's if I have the trend lines right, which I'm pretty sure I do. I also have these measured moves in here. This one being looking at this as a falling channel in the white falling broadening channel, and where we broke out, that gets us up to the 61.30 range. I also have a measured move off of this triangle that we broke out of here, and that is up to the $59 range. So these are my targets here from this breakout, guys. I believe we get up at least to these and then maybe get some correction, but I believe we're going to continue up. And the ultimate goal here is to get up to that 116. Now, let's look at the bearish case. All right, so the bearish case scenario, let's see. I have these targets down here, the 48.15 and 43.03, which would be the bottom of this. But guys, I don't think we're going to look at these now. Unless we break back in this wedge, then we'll start looking back at these targets. The next support line would be about 48.15 and then 43. And the bearish case, guys, would be looking at this whole thing here as a bear flag. And the measured move off that is 34. Worst case scenario, I don't see that happening because we'd have to break through the bottom of this wedge. If we do that, I think things will get much worse. But as of now, guys, I do think we are headed up towards these $60 to $62 area. But yeah, that's where we're at. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. It is down below. If you guys are trading this market, definitely check out my links. You get bonuses for signing up with Bybit, and there's a bonus for Prime XBT too. Check them out. There's also some other links down there that you guys can get some free crypto and stuff. So definitely check it out. It helps me out as well as you. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Smash the likes. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Are you bearish or bullish? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm out of here.